Hello everybody, I'm Kenny Brown with some exciting news. Now in the past we have done the Transform Your Driving Experience workshops that have proven to be extremely popular. Well, good news, I'm going to do another one. And it will be August 23rd to 26th, 7 p.m. in the evenings on Zoom. Now, what is the Transform Your Driving Experience workshop? Well, first of all, I started the workshops, the Cars and Coffee, because I was so frustrated with all the bad information there is out there. I tell people in my classes that the two worst places to get information is on the internet and in the paddock. The information just isn't very good. So that's why I started Cars and Coffee, and we've grown it into the workshops, the academy, because I share with you my experience I've developed over 50-some years of professional motorsports and building great cars. And I don't know everything, but what I do know, I know myself. I didn't hear it from somebody else. So what is the Transform Your Driving Experience workshop? Well, here's what you'll learn. The first critical steps in maximizing your driving experience, building your performance platform, which is really key, and I'll share with you my 5 secrets for the great cars that I build and why they just drive and work so well. And we'll talk about dialing in your car for maximum performance. We'll talk about refining your driving techniques for maximum performance. So the whole idea is to give you a little nugget of what we do in the Speed Therapy Academy, so you can, it's just if you listen to me, I'm going to give you real information, plain and simple, and it's based off experience, not what the guy down the paddock said. So come join us. I'll be looking for you. Remember, August 21st, 3rd to 26th, 7 p.m. to 8-ish or so, depending how much we talk about, and you'll learn a lot. Trust me. I can't wait to see you.